Open the E2 Studio IDE and create a new project. Enter the project name. Select the target board to use. When the target board is selected, the target device is also automatically selected. If there is no target board to use in the selection, click Download additional boards to download a board information file. Check Create Hardware Debug Configuration and select E2 Lite RX. Select Use Smart Configurator. Open the Smart Configurator. Set the clock according to the board used. Click the Clock tab and configure the clock settings. Set the stack size and heap size to be used by MWin. Click the Components tab. Select RBSP from the components and set the stack size and the heap size. After adding MWin fit, an error mark appears if the heap size is less than 0x4000, but this is not a problem for serial connection. Click the Generate Code button to generate the code. Open LCD main view. Select the target project in preparation of the workflow. Confirm the board information, select Use Serial Connection MWin and select the LCD to be connected. If you use an evaluation board supported by QE, these settings are set automatically.